This video is about how to make money with your Twitter newsletters. So welcome to this channel and ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, there are at least 4 ways to make money with your Twitter newsletters. But first of all, you need to set up your Twitter newsletter account on Review. And if you want to know about how to set up your newsletter account on Twitter, check out this video link. You can also find the video in the description below. And in addition to setting up your newsletter account, you also need to compose great newsletters that can inspire, inform, teach, or entertain in order to earn a meaningful amount of money from your newsletters. And you also need to have enough subscribers on Review and maybe a good number of followers on Twitter and other social media platforms where you can share your newsletters. Now, the first and the most common way to earn from your Twitter newsletters is through creating paid newsletters. And this method requires you to charge a fee to your paid subscribers in order for them to access your newsletters. And you can set up your payment account on this members section under the main account settings. And as you can see, you need to have a Stripe account in order to receive your payment from Review. And you should know that Twitter will get 5% of your payment as a fee for using their platform. Now, the other ways in which you can make money with your Twitter newsletters include promoting your own products, promoting other people's products through affiliate programs and sponsorships, and also asking for donations, especially for your free newsletters. And this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more of these exciting videos.